Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Massaging your feet before going to sleep is very important for your health. The miracle starts here. If you really want to relax, massage is the best technique you can use. It is very relaxing, positive and healthy for your whole body. Moreover, massage can speed up the metabolism, stimulate the sweat glands, reduce the excess fat, stimulate the blood flow and rejuvenate the skin. Massage is good for the whole body. However, one of the parts of the body that you get massage regularly are the feet. Here's why you should massage the feet every night before going to bed. Feet massage benefits: eliminates fat, stimulates blood flow, improves the quality of the skin, boosts the metabolism, stimulates secretion of sweat. How to perform feet massage? It is believed that the soles of the feet contain the most sweat glands and nerve endings, so each of the endings is directly connected to the organs of our body. Hence, when you massage a particular point on your foot, you also stimulate the specific organ. Performing the massage regularly can prevent and treat various ailments. You should massage the feet with your thumb and hold for a few seconds. Repeat the massage every night for 10-15 minutes. Here are the several techniques. First, start by holding the toes with one hand and the ankle with the other. Then, slowly rotate the foot, first in one direction, then in the other. Hold your thumb and forefinger of one hand on the Achilles tendon, just above the heel. Next, push down on the foot near the toes with the other hand. You can also hold the foot on both sides with both hands. Then, turn it to one side and then to the other side several times. You should hold the foot with one hand, grip each toe with the thumb and forefinger of the other hand. Next, rotate each toe several times and then pull for a few seconds.